Michael H. Deveray and John M. Martinez.
2025 Physics Nobel laureate.
Revealing that the weird world of quantum mechanics
Nobel
is
winners,
not just
physics.
the level of atoms and particles.
Ayun ay 14 October 2025. Tuesday, ito alas 3 medya na pasado. Quantum mechanics, tunneling, quantum tunneling.
It bounces back. It's the lemon. It doesn't bounce very well every single time. But if we take this into the quantum realm by shrinking this example down to the subatomic level, and instead of a ball, imagine an electron, and make our wall very, very thin. With each bounce against the wall, there is some small chance that the electron doesn't bounce back, but
Will
instead
penetrate,
passes
tunneling.
through the wall and appears on the other side without ever.
What's the implication of this?
That, other than my favorite explanation as to how Santa gets down small chimneys, is the idea that shows us how weird the quantum
What is the application of this quantum tunneling?
tiny billiard balls isn't accurate. Instead, we need to think about them as objects without any definite edges, as waves. In quantum mechanics, a particle doesn't have one exact
Quantum
position.
tunneling.
Instead, it can be described by a wave function, a mathematical shape that tells you
Wave
where
function.
it's most likely to be found. The taller the wave, the higher the chance that you'll detect it there. The wave fades at its edges, but it never quite reaches zero, meaning that there is always a small
Quantum
chance
tunneling.
that particle could be somewhere unexpected. So when that probability wave meets a barrier, part of it is reflected, but part of it can seep through, carrying the tiny possibility that that particle can appear on the other side as if by magic. That means that for an electron traveling down a wire, if there is a break in the wire, there is a small
Break in the
chance
wire,
that
oh.
the electron
Open
can
circuit,
hop
oh.
over the gap and continue on its journey, as if the wire wasn't broken at all. In fact, we are engineering computer chips down to the
Quantum,
sizes where that's
microchip.
becoming a real problem. Components are so close
Quantum
together,
computer.
electrons can jump from one circuit to another.
Yung
even
quantum
if
computer,
they
ayun, no?
want to. Weird, but that is the quantum worldview. And for most of the 20th
Quantum
century,
computer,
quantum
paano,
physics is
principle.
limited to this tiny regime, exclusively to electrons, photons, atoms, and things small, since larger objects always appear to behave classically. But in the 1980s, at the University of California, Berkeley, John Clark, Michael Deveray,
John
and
Clark,
Martinez
Deborah Martinez.
set out to find if these sorts of strange behaviors could also happen.
Using the Josephson
They
junction
developed
diode.
this idea of the electron jumping across a gap, but in a specific form called a Josephson
Ayan,
junction.
Josephson junction diode.
Wires are sandwiched either side of an
Isolator,
insulating barrier, which
Josephson
acts as the gap,
junction diode,
creating a
principle.
natural wall that classical electrons shouldn't be able to cross. In a normal wire, as electrons are negatively charged, they
Yun.
repel each other as well as scatter off of other atoms, constantly losing momentum. That scattering is what causes electrical resistance and produces heat and light in our electronics. So
Yun,
in a
heat.
superconductor, when cooled down to some of the lowest
Superconductor,
temperatures in
low
the
resistance.
universe, everything changes. As an electron moves, it slightly distorts the lattice of metal ions around it, leaving behind a small region of positive charge. Another electron can feel that positive region
feel.
and is attracted to it, following behind the first electron's path,
Following behind.
and linking these two electrons together
Ayun,
into something we
coupling
call
pair.
Cooper pairs.
Cooper
In
pairs,
fact,
ayun.
conductor, billions of these pairs move together without
Ayun,
any
kaya
resistance at
nagflow-flow.
all, described by a single collective wave function. When that wave function reaches the thin insulating barrier of the Josephson junction, it can extend into the barrier, overlapping with the wave function on the other side.
It will extend.
That overlap allows Cooper pairs to tunnel through, creating a steady supercurrent with zero voltage, the hallmark of superconductivity. This effect won Brian Josephson the junction's name, the Nobel
Josephson
Prize
junction,
back in
Brian
1973.
Josephson, 1973.
The Berkeley team, though, wanted to take this one step further. They wanted to see if the whole